Properties of a triangle. Sum of the lengths of two sides of a triangle. Here we take triangle as ABC and the length of the side AB is 4 cm, BC is 6 cm and CA as 5 cm. Now we see here what will happen if we add two sides of a triangle. So here we take side BA plus side AC, which is equals to 9 and which is greater than third side CB. Next is, if we take side AC plus CB is equals to 11 and which is greater than third side BA, and CB plus BA is equals to 10 and which is greater than third side AC. So from this, what we'll observe that if we add two sides of a triangle, then it is greater than the third side. So the sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the length of the third side. So to form a triangle, it is necessary condition that side 1 plus side 2 is always greater than side 3. Here this is not happened, then what? So for example, we take side 1 is 6, side 2 is 5 and side 3 is 15. So 6 plus 5 is equals to 11 and which is less than side third, that is 15. So we'll see what will happen. So here third side is 15 and secondly side 1 is 6 and third, and we take side 2 as 5. So this cannot form a triangle. That means side 1 plus side 2 is less than 3. This cannot form a triangle. So it is necessary condition that side 1 plus side 2 is always greater than the side 3 to form a triangle. Difference between the lengths of two sides of a triangle. Here we take triangle ABC. So length of the side AB is 4 cm, BC is 6 cm and CA is 5 cm. Now we see difference between the lengths of the two sides. So here CA minus AB is equals to 5 minus 4 is equals to 1 and which is less than third side CB. Next is BC minus CA which is equals to 1 and which is less than the third side BA. Next is CB minus BA which is equals to 2 and which is less than the third side AC. So from this, what we observe that the difference between the lengths of two sides of a triangle is less than the third side. That is, the difference between the lengths of any two sides of a triangle is less than the length of the third side. Now we see altitude of a triangle. Here we consider triangle ABC. For a triangle ABC, the height is the distance from a vertex A to base BC. There can be many lines from A to BC. Among these, which will represent the height? So, the height is given by the length of the line segment that starts from A and it's perpendicular to the base BC. Thus, the line segment AD is the altitude of triangle ABC and length is considered as a height. So here AD is the altitude of triangle ABC. Here an altitude is the perpendicular segment from a vertex to its opposite side and it can draw from each vertex as shown here. Next is median of a triangle. We take triangle as ABC. For median, we take a midpoint of each side. So here that means side AB, BC and CA. So we draw line segment AD, CF and BE. So here F is the midpoint of side AB, D is the midpoint of side BC and E is the midpoint of side CA. So here AD, BE and CF, this known as medians. And a median of a triangle is line segment joining a vertex to midpoint of the opposing side, and every triangle has exactly 3 medians. Now we see centroid. The 3 medians intersect each other at a point in the interior of the triangle. This point of intersection is called a centroid. Sum of angle of a triangle. We have triangle ABC. Now we cut out the triangle A and B. Now draw a straight line. Take the cut out the triangle A and triangle B and place them adjacent to each other on a straight line as shown here. Now place the angle C adjacent to angle B on a straight line. Since all angles of a triangle placed adjacent to each other completely fit on a straight line. So here the sum is equal to angle 180 degree. As we know, sum of an angle formed on a straight line is always 180 degree.